Hey guys, welcome back to Devops Hunter. Now we are going to see how to push code to GitHub. So we do have some basic commands in Git, such as like adding and commit the code. Then we need to push the code to remote repository, right? So now we're going to see how to pushing the particular code in our local repository to our remote repository. Okay, so let's get started. Now what I have to do is, I have created a local repository folder called AWS Devops, and as you can see, I have all these files which are there in my this folder local repository. So which means I have just pushed my code to this one, and I have some other 4 files as well which I have recently created. So that files I should now push it to my repository, okay, remote repository. So here you can see I have 3 different files extra, like ramesh.html, ravi.html and vinod.html, right? So all these files gonna push to this remote repository. So first I should get the URL. So this is my HTTPS URL, so that by using this URL I can push to the remote repository. Okay, so let's paste this one. So it will pull the latest data and hit the enter button. It will read the data from the backend. Okay, and then here you can see that so it has checked the particular URL, and it show me the already up to date. That means whatever the data that we have it in the this one the GitHub account is up to date. Okay, now if you have any data which you need to push it to the remote repository, the first thing what you're supposed to do is add the files. So git add and star. Okay, so star, which is like a wild card entry. I mean so this can be act as a anything. So if you want to add a number of files in the particular folder without mentioning any name, you can use this asterisk. Okay, so hit enter and it will go to each and every file and it will check. So here it is checking all the files. Now I'm going to commit these files, like git commit -m and mention the commit. So adding 3 new pages. Anything, it can be any descriptive message you can keep over there, and hit button enter. Then as you can see, we have added different files over here. And now git, this is the main part. So git -u, that means upstream, and origin. So you have a branch name called main, so you should give the main and then hit the enter. So this will add the files to the remote repository. As you can see, so all the files which are there in my the local repository will be added to the remote. So let me refresh my then you can see, so before we don't have these folders such as like Ravi, we know that Ramesh HTML pages. Now we have those two. Okay, so this is the command to push the code to your remote repository. Okay, I hope this is clear. If you want to know more about the git commands, basic commands, how to do the from the starting, like adding code, adding the files, committing and push the code to the remote hub. Okay, so I hope this is pretty much clear, and if you want to know more about DevOps and the kind of tools, please subscribe our channel.